I didn't know that the food we eat causes deforestation.
If I had this on my school menus, I think I would want to come in here every day.
It's the best meal I've ever had in school.
It just makes me feel happy. We're changing things that are bad. We're making them better.
It's good.
Today it's a really exciting day. We're here at Waunfawr Primary School.
Having worked with this amazing class for a number of weeks now on understanding the key drivers of tropical deforestation.
It's been quite a big day actually to have the council, to have those in charge of school meals, to have those in charge of purchasing, all in the same place at the same time and going through the same process. And the delight of the children has been amazing.
Really excitingly this afternoon, they're going to be getting hands-on with their own school menu. So we're taking a dish that they will recognise from their school menu and they're putting their own deforestation-free twist on that dish.
So today we've been building our own noodle pots. We've tried tofu, we've tried chickpeas, we've tried beans and pulses, and everybody's had a go and it's been amazing.
It's given me a lot of food for thought, and I think for the next framework and to support our suppliers, it's really got me thinking about what we are using and what products we're using, and especially involving our catering teams. I think it's been really impactful.
Definitely inspired me. It's opened my eyes because obviously it's not something that I would have looked for when I look for a product. I've loved every minute of working here with these children.
Everyone likes eating tasty food, but it's like 10 times better if it's good for the planet.
100% they won't change, definitely. And just seeing them here today and how happy they are to be here and talking about it as well. You can see they really do want to make a difference.
They don't want deforestation to happen and they want more sustainable food on their menus in schools. Really looking forward to seeing the young people delivering their ideas at the food festival.
So we've got some of our Year 6 pupils here today and they're cooking for the food festival, a dish that they have created with size of whales that they're trying to pitch to get onto our school menus across Caerphilly.
Children love it, so I think if anyone's going to be fussy, it's going to be children.
The earlier you get the kids involved in food and where it comes from and what impact it has on, I think the better.
It's their generation that's going to grow up in the world. If they could have more of a positive impact than we have, then it would be better for the environment then.
Honestly, I've been chatting with the three working here today and their knowledge of food is phenomenal, making this amazing healthy food here.
I'd love it to be part of the school menu because I think that the basis of change is going to be in education. Sometimes you need your kid to come home and go, hang on a minute.
Would you like to come into the big council offices to chat to some of us? Yeah? Absolutely, brilliant. Yeah. That's great.
Good afternoon pupils and welcome to school.
At normal schools, people learn about rainforests from textbooks, but we thought that sounded boring, so we decided to bring the rainforest to you.
Warm, humid air lingers through the forest, fresh, lush plants shimmer beneath the bright sun.
But now a different thunder echoes through the rainforest. Not the rumble of distant storms, but the rumble of deforestation.
Although the rainforest can feel far away, its future is shaped by choices made every single day.
And now, pupils, it's lunchtime. Our food should feed our bodies and brains, taste incredible, and definitely not drive deforestation. And why shouldn't it be Master Chef level?
So today, councillors, you are going to create your own deforestation-free dinner.
We are going to help you, but this is a Master Chef competition, and your finished noodle will be judged by Master Chef winner James Nathan.
It's a very important charity because we're saving the planet as it burns up around us, and we're looking after children.
So we're going to do this challenge this afternoon, and we're going to do these wonderful hot noodles.
My MasterChef champions, drum roll please, are these guys over here. They were just so on it. They're so Team Purple.
So classes, what have we learned?
Our choices shape the world around us.
We want school meals that are tasty and help people and the planet.
Because the future is not something children simply inherit. It is something we build together.
So Caerphilly County Council have a vote scheduled that could make this council the world's second deforestation-free champion council.
And all that really means is stepping into partnership with these young people that are asking for us to build a future that includes tropical forests by understanding these key drivers and taking steps to make the changes where we can.
So councillors, will you help us build a world with tropical forests, one school meal at a time? Vote on June the 30th for a deforestation-free future.